Male and Female Reproductive System, Standard 10th, Science 2. Reproductive system. This is the system in which you are supposed to label the diagram. Draw and label the diagram. It is ureter, bladder, prostate gland, scrotum, testicles, urethra, vas deferens, and seminal vesicle. It is behind bladder. You all know during your excretion process you have already studied ureter, urethra, bladder. All these are related to kidney, right? But now here we are going to study it in male reproductive system. Watch carefully. The vital organ here is testes. Testes are present in scrotum outside the abdominal cavity. Testes contain numerous semi-infibrillar tubules. Germinal epithelial present in the tubule divided by meiosis to produce sperms. Those sperms are sent forward through various tubules. Sequence of the tubule. As the sperm are pushed forward from one duct to next, they become mature and able to fertile ovum. Semivesicle secrete their secretion in ejaculatory duct, whereas prostate gland and Cooper gland secrete their secretion in urinogenital duct. Semen is formed of sperm and secreted of all these glands. Semen is ejaculated out through penis. All the organs of male reproductive system are paired except urinogenital duct, penis and scrotum. This is in short the study of male reproductive system. Now let us go to next system. Human female reproductive system. In this system again you are supposed to label and draw the diagram. Look at the diagram carefully. You can see uterus, fallopian tube, femori, ovary, cervix, vagina, endometrium. All these are very important parts of female reproductive system. Now let us see what exactly it is given in your textbook. All organs of female reproductive system are in abdominal cavity. Just see the difference. In male it is outside the abdominal cavity and in female it is inside abdominal cavity. A pair of oviduct, single uterus and a vagina. Beside a pair of bulbourethral gland is also present. Generally, every month an ovum is released in abdominal cavity, alternately from each ovary. Free end of oviduct is funnel-like. Oocyte, that is egg, enters the oviduct through the opening. Cilia are present on inner surface of oviduct. These cilia push the oocyte towards uterus.
Now it is sexual reproduction we have already seen with plants. Now we are going to see sexual reproduction in human being. So how does it exactly happen? Male and female, they come together. Male contribute for new individual, his sperms, and oocyte or eggs are being released from female. Whenever this oocyte or egg is fertiled by the sperm, that time न्यू झायगोट इज फॉर्म. नवीन बाळाचा जन्म कधी होतो आणि मेलकडून स्पर्म येतात आणि फिमेलकडून एग येतो. त्यावेळेस एग जो आहे हा फर्टाईल होतो आणि फर्टाईल झालेला एग इट इज फर्दर डेव्हलप्ड इनटू small zygote, and that zygote slowly it develop and it form a small baby after 9 months in human being. So we will see it in detail now.
Both male and female reproductive system undergo gamete formation. Let us see how both male and female gamete, that is sperm in male and ovum in female, combine together to fertilize ovum and form a zygote. Here you can clearly see ovule is being fertile by sperm. Only one sperm can fertile it. Another picture where very clear picture image you can see of sperm and egg.